Annyeonghaseyo and welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we're making homemade organic kimchi because I'm sick of paying $14 a jar and it's only 600 grams. It used to be $10, which is bad enough, but it only lasts a few meals. So watch how simple it is to use organic ingredients to make a bulk amount and save some money. Ingredients are 1/3 of a cup of sea salt, 4 cups of water, plus more if we need, 8 carrots peeled, 2 cabbages, herbs you like, I'm using chili and ginger powder, and the main ingredient, ACV, apple cider vinegar. Let's put a 1/4 cup or more if you want to make a lot. Step 1. In a jug that fits 4 cups of water, add the sea salt and apple cider vinegar and give it a quick stir so the sea salt melts and it becomes our brine. Then peel and chop up the carrots and cabbage into smaller portions, getting rid of the hard stem. Step 2. Grab a food processor and place a shredding disc on, then shred a few carrots and cabbages. Keep shredding until it's filled halfway, then add the ginger and chili, then continue to shred until it's full. Step 3. Empty the contents in a large bowl, then repeat the process until you have no more carrots and cabbage to use. See the amount you get from about $20 of vegetables compared to paying $14 for a small jar. Step 4. Grab your storage jars with tight lids. You're going to need a few. First, fill it with the shredded carrots and cabbage and herb mix, but don't overfill the jar. The ACV may create a gas, so when you open the jar after a few days, it might splash out. Give it space on top just in case. Step 5. Now we're ready to pour the brine into the jar. I had to get about 2 more cups of water, and close the lid and you're done. Leave it somewhere peaceful to slowly ferment and create our kimchi for 2 days. Then store in the fridge after you open it for the first time. See how simple it is to make your own kimchi? Don't waste money on small amounts, instead make your own and enjoy the healing nature of organic ingredients. Annyeong, be seeing you.